Now I'm back, it sort of went quick now, but when I was over there, it was actually
Brisbane International Terminal. Wondrous, as you can see, I'm at Brisbane International Airport. You see, Brisbane International Airport. I'm on my way to Dubai in the United Arab Emirates. So very soon, I'll be giving you a walking tour in the United Arab Emirates. I'll be showcasing UAE through my lens, and I'll be so excited for you to join me virtually to explore the UAE. So there will be a lot of awesome content coming straight from the streets of Dubai and other parts of the UAE. I'm now on the travelator with my luggages, going to the departures to check in my flight, Emirates Airline, which will be a direct flight straight from Brisbane International Airport to Dubai. Once in Dubai, I will stay there for a while, then plan which other places will be my next destination. I'm considering Egypt, Iran, Oman, and Saudi Arabia. I'm not saying I will go to all these places, but these are the countries I'm planning to visit, and I can visit any of them or a couple of them. It will be awesome if I can even visit all of them, but I don't think I'll have the time because I have a big onward journey to Ghana, West Africa, after I'm done with my travels in the Middle East. I've just checked in my flight and I'm waiting for the boarding announcement to head to, oh no, I have to go through customs, then immigration before I can reach the boarding gate. So that's the next step. Maybe I'll just walk around the departures a little bit before I proceed to customs, then immigration, onward to my boarding gate. BNE, that's the short code for Brisbane International Airport. BNE, hashtag BNE. Now walking through the duty-free shops, heading towards my boarding gate. With love from Brisbane. Brisbane is truly a lovely city. So far, it's my favorite Australian major city. Brisbane! I'm going to miss you. I'll be back. It's time for me to explore other parts of the world. Tomorrow morning, I'll be in West Asia. Some call it the Middle East. And I'll be in the hub of the Middle East, Dubai. From there, I will know where will be the next destination, and keep watching. You will know as soon as I know. Going through customs and immigration was a very, very smooth and easy process. This is the smoothest I've ever had. Maybe because I'm flying very early in the morning. It's around 12:45 a.m. So that's the beginning of a brand new day. I think this is a good time to fly. The airport is sleepy, not chaos, and I feel like I have the whole of this huge international airport to myself. It was very easy going. no stress. The process was streamlined, and it makes life very easy. I've never seen Brisbane Airport this quiet before. It's a quiet start of the day. I like it though. So passengers have scattered around waiting for the boarding gate to be open so that we will start boarding.
No, I think it's going to be like a difficult maybe.
Four, 3, 1 to Dubai in association with Qantas. Boarding will begin shortly at gate 75. We will board the aircraft by cabin zone. Your designated zone is printed on your boarding pass. Boarding will commence with first and business class passengers, followed by Emirates, Skywards and Qantas Platinum, Gold and Silver members. Passengers requiring assistance will then be invited to board. Please keep the boarding lanes clear until your zone has been called and have your boarding pass or mobile phone ready for presentation. In accordance with international safety regulations, the cabin baggage allowed on board is restricted to one piece weighing 7 kilos per passenger in economy class and 2 pieces at 7 kilos per piece in first and business class. If you have cabin baggage in excess of this allowance, please remove any travel documents, valuables or medication before checking it in at the gate. Small carry bags to place these items in are available from the gate agent. We thank you for choosing Emirates and wish you a very pleasant and comfortable flight.
That's to Emirates Lounge. So those who have business class tickets, first class ticket, they can access this lounge, have some coffee, drinks, food, shower, and a very comfortable seat to stretch their legs before the long haul flight begins. We will soon board our plane, so we will continue in the plane then in Dubai. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.